to 90 locations across the archipelago, bringing history to Filipinos. This exhibit and the book, First in Line, are the permanent records of 14 leaders who held the Republic together. They were not, 14 lang kasi yung hindi pa tapos yung pinaka-15. Hindi natin alam kung ma-impeach siya o hindi. So hindi pa tapos ang kwento niya. They were not always celebrated, but they were always necessary. To the young people holding the books today, you are not here by accident. You sought out names from your textbooks, conveniently skipped. You looked past the glossy summaries and found the leaders who served in the shadow. Those who did the heavy lifting of the Republic without the benefit of